complex function converts real and imaginary coefficients into a complex number. This function has three arguments. In real num argument, enter number that is the real coefficient of the complex number. In inum argument, enter number that is the imaginary coefficient of the complex number. In suffix argument, type I or j, that is the imaginary component of the complex number. If you leave blank this argument, in default, I is entered. In real number, select this cell reference, press tab key. In inum box, select this cell reference, leave blank suffix box, click OK. Function returns complex number with real and imaginary coefficients. Active this cell, click More Functions arrow button, click Complex Function. In real num box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In inum box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In suffix box, type lowercase letter j. If you type uppercase letter j, it will return value error value. Type lowercase letter j, click OK. Function converts these two real and imaginary coefficients into complex number and returns complex number with real and imaginary coefficients. Paste the same formula in rest of cells. Double click. You have complex number in rest of cells. Active this cell. Function returns only imaginary coefficients in this cell. Because real coefficient in this cell is 0. As a result, function returns only imaginary coefficient in this cell. Active this cell. Function returns only real coefficient in this cell. Because in this cell, imaginary coefficient is 0. As a result, function returns in this cell only real coefficient. In this way, you can create complex number by using complex function in an Excel worksheet.